It's Friday. Time to go to my dad's. Yeah, worked it all out. We're going to my dad's for a day or so. It's time to load the car up with rubbish to take to him. So what I want to do is take the 1275 engine up to him. I'm going to take the brake discs, the discs and hubs, just so they're up there. I thought I brought them down here. Yeah, there they are. Brought them down to him. Take them to him. So eventually we can sort of look and get them refurbed or check them out, because they're going to go on that Mark 1 up there, hopefully. That's the plane at the moment. Taking a few other bits up there, so we can have a good look around the Mark 1 that's up there that he's cracking on with. So yeah, have been tempted with a 1960s Mark 1, but we'll talk about that another day. I think I'm going to have to give it a pass. And yeah, so what we need to do is figure out how to get this bloody engine out of here. Okay, so that's the engine, transverse. We need to get the pickup out of the way and get that near the front so we can use the engine always to chuck it in the back of the Safira. So yeah, floor paint going alright. Maybe I put it on a bit too thick there because it feels a little bit damp, especially where I poured it originally. So but yeah, that's alright, couple of coats of that. So what we can do is move stuff across, then during the week, next week, we'd have a bit more of a tidy up, and we can paint the rest of the floor. But anyway, this is going to be a one hell of a boring video. We need to get this engine in a car. Pick up, moved, hoist out, engine in the air. Time to back the car up, get this thing loaded in the back of the Safira, and see if we can strap it down. Ah, must remember the panels, remember the panels. Oh yes. A couple of straps forward and back around the main seat. We'll see how that goes. We can always pull over if we feel the engine flying through the front. So yeah, let's load it up with the Cooper drive shafts and hubs, which we know are 7-inch, but we may be able to convert them to 7.5 just quite easily. So we get them loaded up, we'll get the panels in, and yeah, we'll be ready to go. Well, after work anyway. Okie dokie, front panel, 2 wings, and a surprise for my dad, which was, I don't remember, I bought those LED lamps. I bought 2 sets ages ago. I haven't used the other second set, so I'm going to take that up for him. Might find it useful. So yeah, all packed. Whether my dad will use these front wings, I think we might, because they are the slightly the MPI ones, even though they don't have the indicator holes. So you could argue you shouldn't really be going on a Mark 1. Not that you can actually see it around there anyway, because of the headlamp bulb covers it all up. But you could definitely use them for alignment, and I can just buy them some new wings later. And these wings could then be used on the pickup, which I'm really not too bothered too much about. For purity on the pickup, it can all be done. And obviously the front panel's not correct if it's a Mark 1 as well, because you've got the wide number plate things, and I'm sure there's plenty of other things that are completely different on the Mark 1s, which nobody yet notices apart from the purists. But yeah, anyway, so let's go back to work for a bit and then we'll head off and drive up the M1. Hopefully it's all good. So yeah, so sorry no updates, but when you'll be watching this I'll still be driving, I expect. And yeah, next week some videos for my dad. So yeah, enjoy everyone, have a good weekend, and see you then. God knows what I'm having for tea, somewhere on the M1 I expect.